way, I tried the satchel charges on base. And it doesn't do that much damage. It's like it's not nothing to be scoffed at, but still, like you really multiple tries to actually kill a base.
Con says, why not go IG and get 6 manticores?
Yeah, we'll have to get tier 2 first. But we could just plaster the mid with these turrets.
Cornholio said if you play this again,
he's going to switch off.
Go 3 IG and get 8 manticores.
Adding support structure.
Kind of sounds logical. How much is logic this year? It's 25.
Support structure complete.
Ooh, they went for a fast cap. Sorcerer on your side, boss.
Yep.
I'm in.
What the fuck's all these heretics?
That's 2.
Allied infantry destroyed.
Oh. I think one of these heretics. No, please go down. Ah. They survive.
Understood.
The fuck's doing all that damage?
Allied forces are under attack.
The enemy wishes to fight us. Join us and don't so. The slaves of chaos seek death. Deliver us. Understood.
Okay.
Understood.
The enemy falters.
I definitely need some shotguns.
This day we join our
Some action mid.
We are losing a requisition
Mid.
point to the enemy.
I just got chased off by 2. I'm coming though.
Space Marines, make haste to reinforce your brothers.
Understood.
Our ally is losing forces to enemy fire.
On guard.
What word?
Scouts ready to serve. Scouts here.
Say it now. On my way. Yes, Max.
Scouts ready. Deploying. The task unfinished is a prayer unanswered.
Power supply insufficient.
has us blocked.
Fuck.
They have us targeted.
AIDS grenade.
Understood. Orders. On guard.
Waiting for orders.
Gens.
Adding power generator. An ally has secured a power node.
Yes, Commander. Heading out.
Advance.
Allied infantry are dying. We must generator operational.
They have us targeted.
Before the collecting begins. Yes, Commander.
Tactical Marines at the moving out. Ready for duty.
Our fortifications are fight on and drive the enemy back.
Space Marines on the field.
There's a turret mid facing me, my side.
Serve. Orders. Devastator squad under fire.
Wow. That is some tough pressure.
Get around this wall. Under fire. Squad on the move. Understood.
Bring forth the artificer's armor.
Ready for duty.
Our tech marine has been incapacitated.
Shit.
Devastator marine.
I think we need some.
Understood. 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 This wall has us no glory in pointless defeat.
Coming back with my shirt, with my devs. Careful, Black Jim has black grenades.
Yeah, you just missed.
I can't even get around my side, so I'm going to try and just bash their power.
An ally's forces are under attack.
Fuck.
Coming in with ASMs. Okay, you're bailing. Okay.
Just time.
Accept defeat.
Okay, boss, kill everything over there.
We're losing a power node to the enemy.
Fall back.
That's one gen farm down.
We need to, well, yeah, we need to regroup in mid really quick because they're gonna get that
Yeah.
farm.
They're losing both ones in base though.
Reinforcements have arrived.
The chapter calls and we answer. Moving up. Advance. On guard. Deploying now. Moving out. Advance. Advance.
Blood Crusher.
Understood. Understood. Understood.
Allied infantry destroyed.
Turret over here.
There's also a turret on the other side as well.
I'm gonna res you now in a sec.
Oh, I lost all my time.
Weapons ready.
Oh, I just lost 2 time gun squads.
Ready to Tactical Marines at the ready.
Thanks.
Advance. Moving up.
Technology unlock beginning. Allied forces are under attack.
Understood.
An ally has secured a power node.
Waiting for orders. Moving. Tactical shift. What the chapter gives, I wield with pride.
Advance. On guard. Advance. Moving up. Advance.
But this thing is easily flankable. I'm going to destroy it.
We have 300 points remaining.
Yeah, there's like a little hallway or little, or you can get in behind it.
Yeah.
Devastators at your
The
command.
enemy
Upgrading
has
to flamers.
destroyed an ally structure.
Your brothers stand ready. Assault.
The enemy is outmaneuvering us.
What on my way?
The purgation by flame has begun.
Okay, let's see. See what some heretics. Holy shit, there's no way.
Moving up. Advance.
Careful, careful. Mob spider.
Moving up. Tactical squad.
Oh, he infected me.
Additional units have become available, Commander.
Target acknowledged. Understood. 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 Ready. Orders. Stand with your destination confirmed.
Stop
Why
infecting
is everything
me!
still getting infected? Fuck.
Aerial assault. Go. Understood. Understood.
Jesus.
Waiting for orders. Establishing field reinforcement points.
Feel the might of the righteous. Ready to serve.
Our ally is
Okay,
losing
that
forces
first
to
turret
the
should be
flank.
going down. Actually, I used a blind grenade. Nice. They have oh god, they have stuff in both buildings. Manticore. Oh, that's just a flare.
Building going up pretty quick.
it so.
Scouts understood. Ready. Moving out. Squad on the move. On guard. Scouts here. Go ahead. Initiate.
Okay, that was a good push. Still need to take that power. That's fully gen, right?
Allied infantry are dying.
Yeah.
We must support them.
Okay, I'm sending my flame attacks. Careful with those hormone guns.
Deploying now, brother. Advance. Scouts here. War see, but do not be seen. Stand with your brothers.
Rearming.
Go ahead. There lies the key to victory.
Okay, they're coming from here.
The enemy is destroying a key structure. We are losing a requisition point to the enemy.
Be careful of the RE, maybe we're getting flanked.
Look what I did.
This is actually really good.
Allied infantry destroyed.
They have us targeted. Scouts here. See, but do not be seen.
Oh, come on. Serious fucking barrage. Yeah, Nutcrusher's dead.
An ally has secured a requisition point.
Sorcerer's drunk, isn't it?
Waiting for orders. Setting up sentry turret.
Screw all this shit.
Your brothers advance. On guard.
What? Oh shit, I deactivated that stuff.
Scout destination confirmed.
An ally has taken a victory point.
Careful, careful. Grenade.
An ally has secured a power node. Our tech marine has reached level 2.
Eat that shit.
Our ally is
Oh,
losing forces.
don't come near me.
Get around this wall.
I better retreat those two.
Scouts here. Understood.
Got it, Dreadnought.
Squad on the move. Deploying now, brother.
You need a turret over here?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
That shark is doing all the work.
Ready to serve.
Space Marines, make haste to reinforce your brothers.
Scouts.
Getting a fire prison.
Attaching
nice.
assault cannon.
Weapons ready. Set up firing positions here.
Oh, it seems like you're okay, bottom. You a res or something? No.
Allied infantry are dying. We must support them. We must reverse the course of the battle.
Not two here.
But do not be
Ogrins.
understood. Urge the guardsmen are behind us. Understood.
Okay, what? Then don't retreat if you don't want to. It's okay. It's fine.
I'm coming over.
An allies' forces are under attack.
Oh, that is mayhem. Terminators. Interesting.
Issuing new weapon loadouts.
Oh yeah, we stay on that bridge. Yes. a little bit too much for me. Why are you here?
Combat understood.
Actually, no, they don't have melee resist.
The enemy is capturing one of our strategic points. Tactical Marines reinforced. An allied's forces are under attack.
I think I'm going to get Chosen Plague Marines.
Our ally is losing forces to enemy fire.
Can you give me a res?
Defeat.
Yep.
I'm dead as well.
Careful, Plague Marines.
The enemy has 300
Oh, why did you buy him?
remaining.
I didn't. Seriously, I
Got
didn't.
back. I know, I misclick that sometimes as well.
Oh shit. I wanted to. Sorry, I wanted to click on my ASMs, and I think I did.
Oh shit.
Is that a tank?
Allied hive tyrant
Sense.
has been revived. An ally has secured a power node. Allied infantry are dying. We must support them. Deploying war gear.
Waiting for order. I will do it.
Understood. Advance. Ready for assault.
Nurgle Predator. That's interesting.
No mercy, no respite. Advance.
Fight on and drive
Shit.
the enemy back.
Oh my god, my prism should not be alive.
Allied infantry destroyed.
Whoops. Over here. Okay, Tiffany's going down. That might be going down too. You will wipe these assault kit stormtroopers. Oh my god.
Devastators at your command.
Engaging at range.
Oh, so you're using Plague Crowd. That's mean.
Research underway.
New tank.
We have 200 points remaining.
Okay, somehow that died.
Repositioning. Tactical shift. Waiting for orders. I shall stir them up there.
The enemy is outmaneuvering us.
focus the tank. Okay, got the tank.
Gained a level. An ally has taken a victory point.
Your brother's standard moving out. Assault marines at you.
The enemy has 200 points remaining.
Seriously, how much fucking stuff do they have? Oh, so juicy. So juicy. Shit, if that would have... Wow, that thing's almost dead.
What were as you order? I give thanks for our chapter's beneficence.
Yeah, people tend to just blow their load and put all the missiles in one area.
Yeah. Actually, why didn't I get a whirlwind before? What is wrong with me? Okay, I got enough for an orbital.
An ally's forces are under. Our allies' assets are in ruins. The enemy is capturing one of our victory points.
My faith is my shield. My fury is
Okay, best merciless track ever.
secure the victory point for the chapter.
I killed his manticore.
Weapons ready.
The Codex Astartes guides us to victory.
Advance.
Space Marines on the field. Moving out.
I will not fall. Rise. Return fire.
An ally's
Oh no, oh, that was such a bad jump. They are so dead. I'm going hard for that tank. That tank is so dead. Okay, fine, don't.
incapacitated.
That's interesting.
I threw an anti-grav grenade in like 4 IG squads and I nuked them as soon as I came down.
For fuck's sake, how many fucking abilities I want to use them now?
Orbital batteries. Fire.
Orbital.
Mine.
I've got an avatar coming mid, by the way.
The chapter stands with you.
Oh! Nice rocket roll, I'll give him that.
Secure all guns. Open fire.
That thing ain't dying. What to get? Actually, I don't know whether Land Raider. No, Land Raider's just like asking for.
The tide of battle turns.
Sorry about your thingies.
Careful over here.
Shit.
Comply. Reinforcements have arrived.
Attack Reno.
Thank you.
The enemy is capturing.
I'll put it in retreat. That would be awesome. Let's go for barrage and the whaling tube.
If you can pull it off, yeah.
An ally
It's
has
not going to
taken a
work.
victory point.
Got another dread.
Space Marines, make haste. Orbital artillery guns are ready to fire.
Boah, what a match. That's actually Oh, that could have been beautiful.
Losing forces to enemy fire.
Understood. Understood.
Fuck it, let's get another whirlwind. Just going for maximum cheesiness.
Yes, Commander. As you order. Our allies are here. I fear nothing. Set up firing positions in there.
God, there's a load of predators on this side.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh, actually, they're blocking each other.
The enemy is claiming a victory point.
I try to get these reds. It's going to be tough. Okay, the one is melted.
We shall not fail. Under chaos attack.
Our assault squad is taking losses.
Stand with your brothers. Let them fall before us. Order secure the victory point for the chapter.
Jesus. What a fight.
Come to us.
Nice. Oh,
An
all
ally
these
has
mines.
secured a victory point.
Seems he's
Section.
The
To
enemy
get
has
up some-
100 points remaining.
Ready to serve.
Corpses make poor soldiers.
thanks.
Okay.
Actually, I'm going to put up some mines. I have like supreme energy regen.
Rearming.
I think it's really funny that the anti-grav grenade costs 60 energy to throw, but Shimmer Orb is only like 20.
Can you move your whirlwind, please, Adeptus?
Hmm?
Can you move your whirlwind back a little bit so my complex can get through, please?
Yep.
Thanks.
Oh shit. Baneblade.
Coming with the.
Allied infantry are dying. We must support them.
Where is it? Where's the Beyblade?
It's down there.
Okay, bringing both Les Depths over here.
Who is that? Eats grenade.
That is just insanity.
For the chapter.
Get in there. That is GG indeed. Seriously, that needs to be casted.
Baneblade down.
The enemy is capturing one of our victory points.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Well, the Avatar can just go around the side. Remake again. Fuck off.
Why is he so obsessed with this? Oh, that way we do.
Seriously.
Has reached level.
No, my units are not going to die. I refuse to die. Seriously, that Dreadnought is so heroic. Best match ever. Best match ever.
No mercy. This
I can't even
victory
target the
will
sorcerer,
long
he's just
be
stuck in the
remembered in the
water.
halls of glory.
Yeah, that's where they glitch out. Underneath the bridge.
Oh, fucking hell, that game.
Corn said I never